maski hindi suspicious, kailangan report kung above the threshold amount, which is 500. Wala po sa batas yung kaduda-duda eh. Either it's suspicious or covered
Yes.
transaction.
Ang ano kasi yon sir, pagka ang covered transaction, automatic pong naka-report siya
Yes.
as covered transaction
Above the threshold.
in excess of 500,000. Sa suspicious transaction po, parang nagkaroon po tayo ng doubt, di ba? And then inimbestigahan po natin at yung pong sa investigasyon natin ay hindi siya pumasa.
Pero-
Suspicious pa rin po siya. So that's when kami magre-report as suspicious transaction.
Pero there's no such thing in the law na doubtful or kaduda-duda.
Unusual.
It's just covered or suspicious.
Suspicious. So parang nagduda ka and inimbestigahan.
Walang middle layer, ibig sabihin.
Yes.
Pag above the threshold, tapos covered institution, like casinos, real estate, automatic i-report nyo kasi covered
Yes.
institution.
Yes.
Ngayon, ordinary depositor, pumunta sa bangko, nag-deposit o nag-withdraw ng more than 500, that's above the threshold, it becomes a covered transaction.
Yes, sir.
So wala akong kaduda-duda.
Yes.
Suspicious lang. Wala yung middle. It's either you categorize it into covered or suspicious. Wag na ho tayo mag-usap ng kaduda-duda. Or unusual pala, sorry. Wag na natin pag-usapan yung unusual. Either kaduda-duda lang or covered.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.